How's it going, everybody? I'm Kai with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking, and here to talk to you today about something important. So, it's midsummer, so by now you've probably been harvesting your tomatoes. Hopefully. If you haven't, well, hope you get some great tomatoes. If you have been harvesting for a while and you notice that production slowed down, there could be a problem. And today I'm going to talk about this. This comes with the tomato pruning video that I was discussing, but when you're harvesting tomatoes, you don't want them like this. When they're dark red, sure, they're super sweet, sure, they're ready to go, but there's a problem, an underlying factor that's missing. What you have to do is you have to pick them when they're about like this. And here's why. Sure, you won't get the same great taste as these, but they will ripen to this color and this type over the course of the next week or two. The reason you do not want to harvest these is because, much like green beans that you have to harvest repeatedly on, once a tomato ripens on the tomato vine, it sends a signal up to the tomato plant that it needs to slow production down, that it's made offspring, because each tomato is hundreds of seeds. Hundreds of seeds is a lot of tomato plants. So after so long, it'll just say, okay, I guess I don't need to worry about it anymore. So it'll focus more on growth and less on seedlings. So what you have to do is you have to make sure you pull them like this, not like this. Green beans are exactly the same way. As you can see, we have lots of blossoms here, but I have to cut these quite often. Otherwise, what happens is this plant will stop sending signals and it will flower. Same goes for your beloved tomato plants. Over time, what ends up happening is they'll just stop producing. So most plants operate in that same way. If you let it ripen too far or let it go to the right point, it'll shut off its production. So if you want to continue to have a good harvest on a lot of your crops, harvest as soon as possible that you know it's safe. Orange tomatoes are okay. If you get the hybrid ones that are yellow, you're going to have to kind of make an assessment because they're kind of a new hybrid. I haven't experimented with them much yet, but there is kind of a telltale sign that they're ready to pull, and they're really sweet, but you don't want them, if they're too sweet when you pull them, it's too late. So this is just a quick gardening tip to talk about this, because I know a lot of people don't know about it and they always want this instead of this. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you next gardening video.